That sweet bite isn't just refreshing. It's sending specialized agents to reprogram your joints, gut, and skin. Let's break down pineapple's 3 physiological missions. Mission 1. Bromelain. Pineapple's protease enzyme dissolves inflammatory cytokines 40% faster than ibuprofen. Seriously, that's from the Journal of Inflammation Research, 2023. It breaks down fibrin, which is the protein behind joint stiffness and even cellulite. Here's a pro tip. Eat the core. It's got 3 times more bromelain than the flesh. Now, Mission 2, manganese. Just 1 cup gives you 76% of your daily needs. Manganese activates your body's gut repair molecule, superoxide dismutase or SOD. This strengthens your intestinal lining and helps prevent leaky gut syndrome. But heads up, canned pineapple loses 90% of its enzymes. Mission 3. The collagen paradox. Bromelain digests damaged collagen. Think cleaning up debris. Then triggers fibroblasts to build brand new collagen. In a dermatology research study, that meant 23% fewer wrinkles and joint repair in just 8 weeks. Want to get the most out of pineapple? For inflammation, add black pepper to boost bromelain by 300%. For gut health, grill it to caramelize those prebiotic fibers. For collagen, blend the core with hydrolyzed collagen peptides. Ready to upgrade your plate? Free download, Tropical Healing Guide, link below. You'll get a bromelain activation chart, a 5-day inflammation reset plan, and a printable shopping list. Subscribe for more food physiology deep dives. Nature's biochemical toolkit is served. #HealthPlatePro